Hey guys, welcome to Emily's Kitchen. Emily, would you like to greet your viewers?
Yes.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Okay, so today we're going to be cooking some chicken.
to some kind of butterfly.
I'm adding the pepper. I like my pepper soft. So I'm gonna cook it for 5 minutes and then remove it before it breaks in the food. And if it breaks, then Emily won't be able to eat the food, and we don't want that. Okay, while this cooks, I'm gonna start cooking the noodles. Depending on how much noodle you're cooking, if you're gonna cook noodles, fill the water just enough that all the noodles can get soaked beneath the water. Okay, pour the noodles into the water. If needed, add some water, but you don't have to, because once the water gets a bit hot and the noodles start melting, it will all just sit beneath the water. The noodle is coming up nicely. You just have to keep an eye on it, because noodles can be done really quick. If you overdo it, it'll get too soft and it'll start to stick. You don't want that. So just keep an eye on it. After 5 to 10 minutes, take out a little piece and just try to break it. If you see that it's too hard, it means it just needs a few more seconds. If it's too soft, turn off the fire. What I do with my pepper, I just slice them up. And that will be the pepper that I need to eat. I don't take the seeds, those are deadly. These are the noodles. And this is the chicken with the carrots. Okay, the noodles are finished. Like I said, they don't really need that long of time to get ready. But if you leave it in the water as it's boiling, it'll keep getting softer. So just throw away the water. Don't worry, I didn't throw away the noodles. I have a safety net for it. Once you've gotten the water out of it, you can just pour it back into this. We are ready to eat. Alright? I'm going to serve some food and see you guys in a short while. So that was our first cooking session with you guys, and this will be Emily's portion. She doesn't eat that much, and I have a soccer match today, so I'm gonna need all the energy I can get. So I got a good portion with my red pepper. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, you know what to do. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and keep following for the next video. Emily, bye. Bye. Bye.